Welcome guys. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your WhatsApp on any WhatsApp chat that you want. Now go ahead and open your WhatsApp application. Now if you have it open, click on any message that you want to export and then click on the three-dotted icon on the top right hand area and then click on more option and you are going to see the option to export. Now you can click on export and now there are two options. You can either export it with the media or you can either export it without the media or you export it including the media. So whichever one you choose, this is going to export right away. Now when you choose export, it is now going to ask you which method of export do you want. Do you want to email it to a friend? Do you want to send it to somebody's WhatsApp? Or do you want to, it's just going to give you option based on the option that you have on your device. So the best option is to choose your email, because with your email, it stays on your email. You can always go and revisit it whenever you want. So you click on email for this method and then you put your email address and then you hit on send and this is going to be sent. Now from the other person's side, if you want to view this, you have to actually extract it because it's being saved as a zip file. Now to extract it, you go to the folder, whichever folder it is, you click on your file explorer and then you go to the exact folder name, you click and hold and then you extract. So whatever folder name or whatever name of the WhatsApp after the person has downloaded it is what you are going to use to extract it. You go to the exact location where it's saved, click and hold and then you extract. So if you have any question or any issue doing this, please let me know on the comment section. I am going to handle it and I'm going to see you guys on the next video. This is actually very easy and straightforward, but if you have any question, let me know and I'm going to guide you through. Stay safe and peace.